Hi, Kim Haasarud here. It is August, it's hot outside. I don't know about you, but I love a good pina colada. So we're gonna make a pina colada, but I'm gonna get pretty funky with it. And I'm gonna make 2 pina coladas, 1 for each hand, because I can do that. So the first ingredient I wanna talk about is Pandan. If you haven't used this ingredient or aren't familiar with this ingredient, it's also called the vanilla of Southeast Asia. It is so aromatic. I can put it in a pot of rice, I can infuse it with water, make a tea out of it. The aromatics are like, it's kind of a grassy vanilla flavor to it, almost a tinge of almond and rose. So good, I can make infusions with it, so great. So I'm actually just gonna throw it right in a blender. It's hard to find this at a grocery store, but you can definitely find it in your Asian markets. If not in the fresh section, in the freezer section. It holds really well up in the freezer. So we're just gonna take 1 whole leaf, and I'm going to just chop up about half of it. Now for my other ingredients, I'm gonna do 2 ounces of coconut milk, 2 ounces of coconut water, I'm going to use Monin Pineapple puree. You could use just regular pineapple juice too, but I really like this because it's a really concentrated pineapple flavor. So I'm going to do 1 ounce. 2 ounces of Monin Pure Cane syrup, or you can also use 2 to 1 simple syrup. I just want to use a smidge of vanilla extract. I'm just going to do about 1/4 of a teaspoon. And finally, my rums. I'm actually going to use a split base. I'm going to use 2 different rums. I'm going to use Don Q Anejo, so good. Fun fact, Don Q was the first rum to be used in a pina colada in Puerto Rico. And finally, here's where we're gonna get really funky too. I'm using a rum called The Funk. It's a Jamaican rum. Oh God, that is crazy aromatic. It's got notes of like roasted banana, but also green banana, brown sugar, overripe mango. By overripe, I mean like it smells like mango that's just on the verge of going. That's not good in the fruit, but it's really good in a Jamaican rum. And that's what Jamaican rums are known for, having those really funky flavors to it. It has something called dunder in it. Dunder is what is left over on molasses distillation. And it used to be where they used to try to filter those things out because they wanted a more bland, more neutral rum, but now those are coming back in vogue, so you're seeing a lot more of these really fun, funky rums coming out. So I'm gonna do 1 ounce of that. This is also 100 proof rum too, so pretty strong. All right, let's blend that up. Pour that in here. I'm gonna garnish it with a couple of dried pineapple slices. Top it with some toasted coconut, some ground nutmeg. I'm going to garnish that with a pandan leaf and a straw. You get pandan? Yeah, all day long.